I want to make a real quick video on this '04 Chevy Malibu Classic or Chevy Classic. This is a 2.2 inline four-cylinder. Today I'm going to be talking about the power steering pump in this vehicle. So typically they have it in the front and it is driven by the serpentine belt. But in this case they decided to put it driven by the camshaft. This is a 12 millimeter hex, and what's happening is that it is leaking from this seal here. There's probably a bearing in there, and that seal, the inner seal here, is leaking. So what's happening is it's actually leaking internally and making its way into the crankcase through the this section here of the head that connects directly to the cam gear, the cam shaft. So anyway, the customer was talking about that they kept adding fluid and they didn't know where it went. They wouldn't find puddles. They would drive it shortly to just locally to the store, and they would have to check it again because they would start making a power steering sound, typically known as a whine. Figured out that this one is driven directly by the motor via this shaft here, and it was leaking internally into the engine. So that is the setup. It is held by 13 millimeter bolts, a couple of them, and it's fairly straightforward. You just take off the intake tubing, which is right there, and you replace it with another one, and that should be it. But yeah, I just wanted to bring that to people's attention because that is a weird way to achieve the power steering pump. And yeah, so there you go.